Hello, my lovely crochet family. Welcome in, and thank you for being here today. Settle in, relax your shoulders, and let's share a warm moment together as we talk about something gentle, creative, and full of heart. If you love handmade fashion, if you admire patience and beauty woven into yarn, and if you believe children's clothing can carry meaning, then this space is made just for you. Today, we are exploring Crochet Girl Frocks, the latest new design ideas in 2026, all beautifully handmade through the art of crochet. These frocks are more than seasonal trends. They are thoughtful expressions of care, creativity, and comfort, designed for girls who deserve softness, freedom, and joy in what they wear. Crochet in 2026 has stepped into a new chapter, one that honors tradition while embracing modern needs, gentle aesthetics, and intentional living. Before we talk about styles and designs, let me share a small story with you. There was once a little girl who loved dresses more than toys. She believed dresses could change how the day felt. A soft dress made her feel calm. A twirly dress made her feel brave. But her favorite dress of all was a crochet frock made by hand. It did not come from a store. It came from quiet evenings, careful stitches, and hands filled with love. When she wore it, she felt seen, protected, and special, as if the dress itself understood her. That feeling is the soul of Crochet Girl Frocks, and in 2026, designers and handmade creators are returning to that emotional core. This year's crochet frocks are designed not only to look beautiful, but to feel meaningful. They are made to move with the child, breathe with the skin, and stay gentle through every adventure. The design philosophy behind Crochet Girl Frocks in 2026 centers on softness, simplicity, and intention. These dresses are created with the understanding that children need comfort just as much as beauty. The focus has shifted from heavy embellishments to thoughtful construction, balanced silhouettes, and yarn choices that respect sensitive skin. Crochet frocks are no longer reserved only for special events. They are becoming part of everyday wardrobes, blending charm with practicality. One of the strongest trends in 2026 is the rise of flowing silhouettes. Crochet Girl Frocks now favor gentle shapes that allow free movement. A-line dresses, softly flared skirts, and relaxed waistlines are popular choices. These designs allow children to run, play, sit, and spin without restriction. The beauty of these frocks lies in how naturally they fall around the body, creating elegance without stiffness. Yarn selection plays a major role in achieving this softness. Cotton yarns remain a favorite, especially organic cotton, because they are breathable, durable, and gentle on the skin. Bamboo blends are also widely used for their silky texture and cooling properties. These yarns allow crochet frocks to be worn comfortably for long hours, even in warm weather, making them ideal for daily wear. Color trends for Crochet Girl Frocks in 2026 draw inspiration from nature. Instead of bright or overpowering shades, designers are choosing calm, grounded tones. Soft cream, warm beige, dusty rose, muted lavender, sage green, pale blue, and gentle peach are leading the palette. These colors feel timeless and photograph beautifully, making the frocks suitable for both casual moments and memorable occasions. Hand-dyed yarns are gaining popularity as well, adding subtle variations in color that make each frock unique. No two handmade dresses look exactly the same, and this individuality is celebrated rather than hidden. In a world filled with mass production, these small differences remind us of the human hands behind each piece. Texture is another defining feature of Crochet Girl Frocks in 2026. Instead of relying on heavy decorations, designers are allowing stitch patterns to take center stage. Shell stitches create delicate waves along hems and sleeves. Bobble stitches add playful texture that children love to touch. Lace stitches bring lightness and airiness, especially for summer frocks. Each stitch choice adds personality and depth to the garment. Handmade details are where crochet frocks truly shine. Small elements like crocheted buttons, soft tiebacks, scalloped edges, and carefully shaped necklines elevate the design without overwhelming it. These details are thoughtfully placed to enhance comfort and visual balance. Even the seams are finished gently to avoid irritation, reflecting the care that goes into handmade clothing. A major shift in 2026 is the popularity of everyday crochet frocks. These dresses are designed for regular use, not just special days. They are simple, sturdy, and easy to care for. Parents appreciate crochet frocks that can be washed, worn again, and styled easily. Children love them because they feel cozy and unrestricted. Everyday crochet frocks often feature shorter lengths, relaxed fits, and minimal embellishment. They pair effortlessly with sandals, flats, or even sneakers. Some designs include pockets, adding a practical and playful touch. These dresses prove that handmade fashion can fit seamlessly into modern life. Of course, crochet still holds a special place in celebration wear. Party crochet frocks in 2026 are elegant yet lightweight. Designers are blending crochet with soft fabric linings to add structure while maintaining comfort. These frocks feature layered skirts, fitted bodices, and delicate lacework that catches the light subtly. Shimmer yarns are used sparingly to add a touch of magic without overwhelming the design. These dresses are perfect for birthdays, weddings, and festive gatherings. What makes them special is not just their appearance, but the feeling they give to the child wearing them. A crochet party frock feels personal, as if it was made just for her. Vintage-inspired designs are also making a strong return. Crochet girl frocks in 2026 borrow elements from classic styles and reinterpret them in modern ways. Peter Pan collars, puffed sleeves, empire waistlines, and scalloped hems are appearing again, but with cleaner lines and softer yarns. These designs feel nostalgic while remaining fresh and wearable. Modern crochet designers are also focusing on size inclusivity and growth-friendly construction. Adjustable straps, stretchy waistlines, and flexible fits allow the frock to grow with the child. This approach extends the life of the garment and supports sustainability. A crochet frock becomes something that lasts rather than something quickly outgrown. Sustainability is a core value in crochet fashion for 2026. Handmade clothing naturally supports slow fashion, encouraging thoughtful consumption and reduced waste. Natural fibers, eco-friendly dyes, and small-scale production help lower environmental impact. Choosing crochet is not just a style decision, but a conscious one. Crochet girl frocks also carry emotional value that cannot be replicated by machine-made clothing. Many of these dresses are made by mothers, grandmothers, aunts, or caregivers. Some are even made by young crocheters learning the craft themselves. Each stitch holds time, effort, and intention. These dresses often become part of family memories. They appear in photographs, birthday celebrations, and quiet everyday moments. Years later, they are found folded carefully in drawers or boxes, carrying stories from the past. Crochet frocks become heirlooms, not because they are expensive, but because they are meaningful. Crochet fashion also offers opportunities to teach children important values. Through handmade clothing, children learn that beautiful things take time. They learn patience, appreciation, and respect for craftsmanship. When children are involved in choosing colors or designs, they feel a sense of ownership and pride. Styling crochet girl frocks in 2026 is simple and intentional. Accessories are kept minimal to let the dress shine. A small hair bow, simple sandals, or a light cardigan is often enough. Layering is used thoughtfully during cooler months, pairing crochet dresses with soft shirts or tights. Cultural influence is another beautiful aspect of crochet frocks this year. Designers are drawing inspiration from traditions around the world. Patterns and motifs reflect diverse backgrounds, blending African textures, European lace techniques, and modern minimalist aesthetics. Crochet becomes a universal language, connecting cultures through creativity. In 2026, crochet girl frocks are not trying to compete with fast fashion. They exist in a different space, one that values care over speed and meaning over mass production. These dresses remind us that clothing can be personal, expressive, and deeply human. Let us return once more to the little girl from the beginning. Years later, she opens an old box and finds that crochet frock. The colors are softer now, the yarns